What's up everyone, I'm Jason. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to make egg bites in muffin tins. We're going to cook them in the oven. It's a really straightforward and easy recipe. You can freeze these, and we are going to make 12 of them in this muffin tin pan right here. And before we get started with the ingredients, if you could hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. So let's get started on the ingredients. Alright, since we're going to make 12, we're going to go with slightly less than 1 egg per muffin. So we're going to go with 10 for our 12, and we're just going to crack these into a bowl. Alright, so now that we have our 10 eggs in here, we're going to give this a quick whisk, and we're going to add our salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic seasoning. And by the way, the recipe's in the description for the exact measurements. In goes our seasoning, and time to whisk. Next, we're going to take our muffin pan and we're going to spray some cooking spray so our eggs don't stick. Next, we're going to add our egg mixture and seasoning right in here. I'm just going to scoop this in. Let's even these out. Now that we got our egg mixture and seasoning in our muffin tins, we're going to add, we have some red pepper chopped up, we have some pre-cooked bacon, and we have some shredded cheddar cheese. The wonderful thing about this is you can use whatever ingredients you like. We love bacon like anyone else, and this is what we're going to use. We're putting about a tablespoon of each ingredient, give or take. And lastly, we're going to just take a spoon and just give it a little quick mix to incorporate or to get the ingredients spread out evenly. And next, like I said, oven at 350 degrees, and we're going to go for about 20 minutes. We're going to check it halfway through. So in the oven it goes. Okay, here we go. It's been 20 minutes. Alright, so as you can see, they are nice and fluffy. Depending on how much we head in, obviously, they're a little different sizes. But anyway, I'm going to show you how easy these come out with a little bit of cooking spray. So there's a nice picture of one, and we're going to cut it open and just give it a taste test. Alright, so just so you can see, I'm going to cut one open here. It smells amazing. Nice and fluffy, if you can see that. Red pepper and that bacon. Obviously that's good. Like I said, you can freeze these and throw them in the microwave for 30 seconds, give or take. And anyway, good easy recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.